everyone, it's me, Crystal. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If not, welcome for the very first time to my little art corner here on YouTube. Today we are going to be unboxing the Paletteful Packs box for March 2021. So without further ado, let's get right on into it. As the sticker tells you, this box is brought to us by Posca. First, we have a selection of Posca paint markers, and we have 4 of them. Are you ready to work with one of the best and most versatile markers on Earth? Posca is a paint marker popular with artists and creative hobbyists. An essential tool for creation and self-expression, is used by professionals and amateurs every day on all types of materials. We highly encourage you to visit Posca's website to explore all of the various ways people use these markers. The non-toxic and water-based opaque paint covers well, is blendable, dries quickly, and can be overlaid when dry. You can use the markers on paper, board, wood, fabric, glass, ceramic, plastic, metal, minerals, and canvas. The retail price for the 4 of these is normally $15.96. I'm testing these on a black watercolor paper. For my filming camera, it wasn't exactly pulling the correct colors, so that's why we have the corner here to show you a little bit better what they look like. I've used Posca pens before, they work pretty well. Nothing super new here. Next, we have some Posca Pastel pencils. The iconic Posca has been exclusively known as a marker brand. After several years of research, Posca has now launched pastel pencils. These pastel pencils have the kind of high-quality permanence and pigmentation you would expect from Posca. The pastel pencils offer a soft, blendable, and expressive way to sketch and paint with the added benefit of a coated body. I'm glad they mentioned that they made markers for a long time, so I didn't realize they made any other kinds of art supplies. They don't seem to blend very well, these pastels, with my finger. It didn't look like it. I'll have to test some more and find out. Also, to me, the brown pastel seems kind of out of place with the other colors I got. The following item we have is some Copic Opaque White pigment. This water-based pigment is used for highlight effects. Opaque white won't bleed into the base color, giving sharp line definition. It can be used on permanent ink surfaces as well as acrylic, watercolor, and colored pencil. The retail price for this is normally $14. I'm actually pretty excited to try the Opaque White from Copic. I love having a bunch of different whites to use on all sorts of different projects, so it'll be nice to try this one out. They also gave us a brush to apply stuff with. This is a Robert Simmons Sapphire brush. The Sapphire line of brushes is designed for artists working in all mediums who love the painting, color holding, spraying, and smooth application of natural sable, but also demand the durability associated with synthetic brushes. The handles are made of kiln-dried beechwood, and ferrules are precision-engineered and 22-karat gold-plated. A unique blend of the finest red Kolinsky hair and synthetic filaments delivers the ultimate painting experience. Each brush is handmade and carries a lifetime guarantee, and the retail price for this brush is normally $12.95. I used this brush to apply the Copic White, and it seemed like it worked pretty darn well, as well as any other brush I've used that's like this. For the Surface Day month, they gave us some Crescent Ultra black textured boards. It's a 3-pack of 8 by 10 inches. Your Posca paint markers and pastel pencils will really pop on this black illustration board. Constructed with a solid black core and surface that allows the paint to be applied without fast absorption. The retail price for this is normally $10.46. I did not use this for the swatches, I used some black watercolor paper instead, but this actually feels like matting board. Which you can definitely get a big thing of matting board for pretty cheap, and you can cut it down yourself or have someone else cut it down, just so you know. But with that, this unboxing, these swatches, and therefore this video are pretty much done. If you liked it, please hit that like button. If you have any comments, questions, feelings, concerns, or you've used any of the items in this month's box, please let me know all about that in that comment section down below. If you would like to see more videos like this, please feel free to subscribe. I do Paletteful Packs unboxings once a month. As always, thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day or night to watch this video and listen to me ramble. I greatly appreciate it. I look forward to hearing from you guys soon, and you will definitely be hearing from me soon. Bye, everybody!